y'all clothes, y'all pieces, y'all gotta make sure it's twerk approved. So it's hot outside means it's time for y'all to put the winter pieces, the fall pieces, the spring pieces up and bring out the high girl and the high boy pieces, okay? Welcome back to Taylor GTV. If y'all ain't watching me, then what y'all doing, period, okay? Y'all, I say this every time and I know I do, but I'm back for real. Like, I had to get in my bag. Like, it's summertime. The girls is outside, the boys is outside, the high girls and the high boys. Baby, it's about to be lit. So I have to really get myself together and be consistent on my channel. I apologize, but I appreciate y'all for rocking with me and holding me down on my hiatus. But I'm back and I'm better. So welcome back to Taylor GTV. If y'all ain't watching me, then what y'all doing, period, okay? If y'all are new here, hi. If y'all returning, hi. Hey, what's up? How y'all doing? Or whatever. But like I said, it's about to be summertime. So summertime means it's hot outside, okay? So it's hot outside means it's time for y'all to put the winter pieces, the fall pieces, the spring pieces up and bring out the high girl and the high boy pieces, okay? So if y'all are thinking, okay, what this video gonna be about, or if y'all already know by the title, yes, it's a Shein haul, yo. Shein haul. Y'all know I love to do Shein hauls. I did a loungewear haul. I did a couple little Shein hauls, and that will be in the description box. So before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, because these videos, I promise y'all, are coming back to back, okay? So like, comment, subscribe, and follow all my social media accounts down below. Let's get into this video. Alrighty, y'all. So all pieces range from an extra small to a small. Links to the items, all sizes, will be in the description box as well, okay? So this is outfit number 1, y'all. This is a 2-piece set. It comes with like a crop top, a bralette. You can see it's crisscross in the back, with some leggings, y'all. The leggings make your booty look big, because I promise I don't have all this back here, okay? These pants, I believe, are in a small, and the top is in an extra small. Just based on the reviews is why I sized them different, because the top does have a bigger fit than the leggings. So, you know, that's why I differentiated in these pieces. I bought them separate. They did not come together. But I like this outfit, y'all. It gives festive, it gives vacation. Like, I could have worn this on Cinco de Mayo. Like, if I'm going to Cabo, Cancun, Mexico, Puerto Rico, I definitely will wear this. Like, this just gives a vacation, fun, good little vibe, y'all. I love it. It's comfortable. It's like really cute. I would pair this probably with like some yellow sandals, some blue sandals. I can even do orange, just like cause all the different colors in this set. So I love it. It's so cute, so comfy, and like I said, it gives the girls body. Okay, what Candy said? Legs and hips and body. This belt, I do have to like tighten it, or have my mama tighten it for me or something, because it is kind of big, but it's cute. Like, I love this set so much. Like, it's cute. Okay, like, I love it. Alright, yo, so number 2, like, this is a set, so it did come together. This is actually in an extra small, y'all. This is in an extra small. It's blue. I believe this set came in burgundy or blue, but you know, we gotta give the girls the blues this summer. We gotta give the girls and the boys, the high boys and the high girls, the blues this summer, because that's just what it's giving, okay? But the blue is a very loud, like, cute color. Like, I love blue. That's actually one of my favorite colors. That's why I got it. But It's like a cute little set. If y'all know like the TikTok pants that was going viral on TikTok, the TikTok that you could get off Amazon that makes your booty look big. Yes, it has that type of material, but it's like really soft and comfortable. So, you know, you could wear this going anywhere. Like, this could be a cute airport fit, running errands fit. You could wear this going to a party, you know, or anything. Like, this is really cute. Like, I love this so much. It's comfortable. I could stretch, you know, when I'm dancing at the parties or whatever. When I'm dancing at the parties for the girls and the boys, I could move in it. And I could do the TikTok, you know, with their hips. My little niece could do it so good, but I can't do it. But you know, you could do all the little TikTok dances and all that in this set. Also, you could work out. So if you won't be like y'all working on y'all summer bodies, y'all could go to the gym and work out in this. I'm not gonna be going to the gym, but it could be a gym fit. So it's a multi-purpose, you know, fit. But I love it, y'all. Like, this is definitely so bomb. And I love it. Like, I love it so much. So, y'all, this is another set. Y'all, this is probably, like, my favorite. Like, this is giving, I don't know what celebrities. Some celebrity had a denim bralette and some shorts like this. And I can't remember who it is, but girls, boys, gals, baby, this is giving, like, woo, prepare to be sick of me. Prepare to be sick of me. Prepare to be sick of me. Sick of me. If somebody was to have a freaknik party, baby, what? I'll wear my little denim, what's up? I'll pull up wearing my denim, what's up? What's up? I don't know where I'm gonna wear this at, y'all. But I be finding the baddest pieces on Shein. I promise y'all, because I promise y'all ain't really see nobody with this on, huh? Or I know. But anyways, y'all, this is like so cute. But I believe this is an extra small. And the extra small, like I said, the correct sizes will be in the description box. But I have a bigger chest than, you know, I'm bigger up top than at the bottom. But this bra fits well. I just have a little bit extra room right here, but it's nothing my grandma can't sew together and get me right, because you know y'all the grandmas love to sew and alter your clothes when it's too big and hem your pants when they too long. That's the type of grandma I got. So she'll get me together, little 1-2, a little needle, a little thread, and it's fine. But this is so cute. Like, can I just give another 360? Cause what? Who don't got no booty? Who don't got no booty in these shorts? Who not about to eat the girls up this summer though? I don't know where I'm going to wear this at, but I'm going to wear it this summer. And I'm bringing it out. I could wear it with my G-Nikes. What's up? I could wear it with my white G-Nikes. I could get some denim sandals that I seen on Shein. I could wear it with that. Like, y'all, this going to be a look. When I put it together, my hair going to be together. Oh, I can't wait. But I highly recommend this thing. Because what? Who not fine? Who not? Who? Okay. Alright, y'all. So don't pout, don't worry, but baby, this the last look. How about that? That's all y'all getting. What's up? Now this is the last look, y'all, but it's because the other pieces I have ordered, I want to put that in a different type collection. Not just, don't worry, trust me, it's coming, okay? But anyway, don't worry, it's coming. So this is the last fit. Y'all know snakeskin is very in, y'all. Snakeskin ain't never gonna go out of style. Snakeskin is cute. Snakeskin gives baddies. Snakeskin gives what it's supposed to be, then gives, okay? So y'all, this is the snakeskin. These shorts are extra small. This is like a how can I explain the material? Like a polyester or like a velvet type material. But like I said, these are in an extra small. Boom, boom. Okay. These are in an extra small. I like the way it fits. Like, it's real comfortable, real comfy. Like, I love it. And I paired it with this black bodysuit I also got from Shein. I believe this is the extra small as well. And I love it because it's different, because it crisscross applesauce and all that in the back. So this is real cute. I'm definitely going to wear this soon. My grandma bought me a snakeskin purse. I'm going to pair with these shorts and I'm going to eat the girls up. Okay, I might have some long curly hair or like some long straight hair. I don't know. But the look going to come together, y'all. And it's like so cute, so comfy. Like, sometimes denim could be very uncomfortable. So with this type of material, it's not spandex. Like I said, it's polyester. So it's very comfortable, stretchy. You can move in it. You can move in it. Ooh, y'all know y'all clothes, y'all pieces, y'all gotta make sure it's twerk approved. Okay, it's gotta make sure you could dance, and like you gotta make sure your clothes fit right and complement your body, complement your curves, your waist, and all that. Your boobs, like your chest area. You just gotta make your clothes. Gotta make sure your clothes fit right. Not only fit right, but you're comfortable in it. So this is real cute, real yay, real grown and sexy, like, and real different. So I love it. Okay, I love it. So y'all, I'm so sorry. Y'all ain't gotta go home, but y'all gotta get the out of here. I'm just playing, y'all. That concludes this haul. Like I said, I missed y'all. I just been going through a lot, okay? But I'm back and I'm better. God is good, okay? So this summer gonna be lit. These videos gonna be lit, and everything. So stay tuned for my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and follow all my social media accounts down below. Bye.